Welcome to this exclusive session of Polynext Awards and Conference. I am excited to welcome Mr. Rajesh Pahwa, founder and CEO of 21st Century Polymers. With over 35 years of experience in the plastics industry, he is a leading expert in recycling, sustainability, and circular economy solutions. His work spans multiple sectors and reflects a deep commitment to reduce plastic waste and driving real impact. Welcome, Mr. Pahwa. How are you?
Thank you so much. I'm good. How about you?
Yeah, I'm good too. So, sir, can you please tell our audience about you, like whatever that I missed?
Sorry.
Can you
Oh,
please tell our audience about you?
okay. So I am Pahwa, Rajesh Pahwa, and my company name is 21st Century Polymers. I started recycling in 1989. At that time, plastic was a good material, not a bad one. We were lifesavers. We were saving trees, and but now scene has been changed. We are first Indian recycling company to exhibit in USA. We are first Indian recycling company to exhibit in Dubai. We have exhibited in Cape Fair, Germany. We have exhibited in China Plus and many exhibitions across India. So when I say these multiple exhibitions, I mean we are very well versed with the latest technologies, processes. We get an opportunity to work with the United Nations in Goa, where we successfully implemented 16-way segregation of post-consumer waste when world is fighting over Gila and Sukha Kudar. We successfully implemented 16-way segregation. So that project is really I'm very proud of. And we are not only recycling, we are also compounding polymers. Compounding means we are adding additives with the recycled polymers and make it uh, better in more than one sense in comparison to virgin polymers.
Okay.
So this is a little bit about us.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. Let's move ahead with the main interaction session. So, you have over 35 years of experience. What major changes have you witnessed in the recycling and waste management landscape over these decades?
In the late 80s and 90s, when I started recycling late 90s, waste was largely seen as a nuisance. There was no structure, no policy, very little awareness. But over the decade, I have seen a complete shift from unregulated dumping to organized recycling, from informal sector domination to policy driven systems. Now, recycling is, of course, quantity centric, but more quality centric. And with the help of EPR, it's really a policy driven system now. What was once an ignored industry is now at the center of global sustainability discussions. That I really like very much.
Okay. So, what inspired you to combine plastic recycling with sustainability and circular economy practices so early on?
That's really a very good question. Even in the early days, I could see that recycling alone was not enough. I was deeply moved by the waste scattered across our cities and realized that unless we link recycling with reduction, reuse, and product design, we will just keep chasing the problem. That's what led me to build a business that doesn't just process plastic but also educate, design systems, and close the loop, truly embroidering the circular economy.
Okay. So, Mr. Pawa, please tell us about the vision behind 21st Century Polymers. Like, what sets it apart in the recycling and sustainability ecosystem?
Vision is very simple but bold to turn waste into wealth. That is our vision. At 21st Century Polymers, we go beyond recycling, we design end to end solutions. From awareness at the household level to certified recycling. We are one of the few companies that handle everything in house, including collection, segregation, washing, extrusion, product manufacturing. Our innovation in MLP recycling, multi layer packaging recycling, EPS handling, and product development from waste to product set us apart.
Okay. So, how is 21st Century Polymers integrating ERP into its services for clients?
Uh, for EPR, we act as a complete EPR fulfillment partner. For our clients, whether FMCG companies, packaging producers, brand owners, we ensure traceable collection, proper processing, full documentation in line with Central Pollution Control Board and State Pollution Control Board norms. We also help brands design smarter packaging and work with communities to promote source aggregation, making EPR a real impactful activity, not just a checkbox.
Okay. So, India has ambitious waste management goals. So, what do you think is the biggest barrier to achieving them and how can it be overcome?
Not only in India, but the biggest barrier is the gap between policy and ground reality. Infrastructure is growing, but awareness and accountability are still lacking at the local level, especially in urban households and small municipalities. To overcome this, we need to decentralize recycling, build local material recovery facilities, and empower the informal sector with training tools and dignity. I just want to highlight this with 2 minutes more on this topic. Our informal sector is highly skilled uh, manpower with skill to identify and segregate type of polymers. That is on one hand. On other hand, we in India we have um, now latest technology machines, near infrared sensors based machines. But these near infrared machines can give you accuracy 92% at its best. So we need a combination of this skilled manpower, train them to run these machines so that you can run these machines, get 92% accuracy, and then again manual identification and segregation to achieve 99.5% accuracy. So that's a ambitious goal in waste management.
Okay. And what technologies or trends in plastic recycling excite you the most right now?
Trends in plastic recycling. Two things excites me. Chemical recycling. I'm looking forward to chemical recycling, though it's too far right now. So I hope it will be because I understand that plastic sector as a whole has evolved a lot in last 40-50 years. That sector started with thermoset materials and then PVC and polyolefins, then engineering polymers, now high temperature polymers, and now new alloys coming up on every month basis. So two sectors, chemical recycling and second is uh, biodegradable or compostable materials. I believe currently we are not good at these polymers. When I say we, I mean plastic sector as a whole all over the world. This is in the process. I will be happy to see compostable materials when they compose in natural conditions and don't require any industrial composting. I was missing third point also, multi-layer packaging. So recycling or multi-layer packaging is also in trend. We also have one patent where we have separated layers of multi-layer packaging. We are working with one German machine manufacturer company to make it scalable. So I'm looking forward to this as my own goal, multi-layer packaging recycling.
Okay, wonderful. So, sir, what's next for 21st Century Polymers? Any new initiatives or directions in the pipeline?
Uh, so yes, we are entering a very exciting phase currently. We have recently collaborated with Source One, that is India's largest tech-based distributor of virgin polymers. This partnership allows us to expand into digital trading of plastic waste, recycled polymers and compounded polymers, creating a transparent and scalable marketplace for the circular economy. Though this platform, we are not only connecting buyers and sellers, but also supporting recycling companies across India by helping them access to wider market, latest technologies, funding, improve quality standards, ensure consistent optics. Our aim is to bring structure, visibility, and trust to the recycled material trade, just like Source One has done for virgin polymers. This initiative is a big step forward, formalizing the recycling ecosystem and creating tag-based traceability in post-consumer plastic recovery.
Okay, good to know. All the best for all these plans.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so let's move ahead with a very interesting round of this interaction session, the rapid fire round.
Oh,
Okay,
good.
I'll be asking questions and you have to answer in one word only, whatever that comes to your mind first. Okay,
Okay.
okay, let's begin. The first question is plastic or bioplastic?
Plastic with more recyclability.
Okay, your favorite recycled product ever made?
A park bench made from multi-layer packaging waste. It proved that even the non-recyclable is actually recyclable.
Okay, one habit everyone should adopt to reduce plastic waste.
Segregate at source. That alone can double our recycling efficiency.
Yeah. Okay, recycling, necessity or opportunity?
Actually necessity, but of course currently it's opportunity too.
Yeah. A sector that will explode with innovation in 5 years.
Packaging, especially refillable, compostable, and smart packaging.
Okay. Sustainability in one word.
Integrity.
Okay. So, one last question for today's session. What advice would you give to young entrepreneurs entering the sustainability or recycling space?
As I shared earlier, I am into this sector for last 3.5 decades. So there was no time better than today with the traceability, with the kind of rules coming up and awareness, especially EPR rule on where EPR enforce brand owners and processors of plastics packaging to buy recycled material. There was no time better than today. Come in this sector. This is a growing sector, profitable also.
Okay. Okay, that was all about today's session. Thank you so much, Mr. Pahwa, for sharing your invaluable insights and inspiring commitment to sustainability. Your leadership continues to shape a more responsible and circular future for the plastic industry, one innovation at a time. Once again, thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you for your time and inviting me here.
Thank you so much.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.